Welcome to our comparison video, where we pit the PowerColor AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT against the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti. Both of these graphics cards are designed for high-performance gaming, but they come with different specifications and price points. In this video, we will explore their features, performance metrics, and help you decide which one is the better choice for your gaming needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the PowerColor RX 9070 XT boasts a boost clock of 2400 MHz, while the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti takes the lead with a slightly higher boost clock of 2497 MHz. This difference may seem small, but it can impact performance in demanding gaming scenarios. Both cards are equipped with 16 GB of memory, ensuring they can handle modern gaming titles with ease. The PowerColor RX 9070 XT utilizes AMD's architecture, which is known for its efficiency and performance in gaming. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 5070 Ti features NVIDIA's latest Blackwell architecture, which is designed to enhance performance and support advanced features like DLSS 4. This architectural difference can lead to varying performance in specific titles, particularly those optimized for NVIDIA hardware. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The PowerColor RX 9070 XT is priced at $749.99, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti, which comes in at $834.99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you are looking for the best value for your money. In conclusion, both the PowerColor RX 9070 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti offer impressive specifications and performance for gamers. The choice between them may come down to your specific needs, whether you prioritize price, architecture, or performance metrics. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.